all these things.
Ofori-Atta is not a fugitive from justice. It's not about Ofori-Atta, viewers. It's not about Ofori-Atta. It's about Ghana, the government of Ghana, the people of Ghana, the Black Stars, anybody who is connected to Ghana. The Black Stars being a football brand that also represents Ghana. It's about the flag. It's about this. It's not about Ken Ofori-Atta. A man has been Minister of Finance for your country, and then the next thing they hear is a fugitive from justice. It tells on your country. Have you ever heard America saying that the former Federal Reserve guy is corrupt and that he's stealing money and that he's dug a cathedral hole? Whether a cathedral hole has been dug or not, it is our hole. It is our cathedral. It's our gain or it's our loss. It is necessary that our public officials begin. That's why I like my producer playing the tape of Stephen Asamoah. Just those of you who have been watching on social media, Stephen Asamoah talking about it. It is very important from justice. It's not about Ofori-Atta, viewers. It's not about Ofori-Atta. It's about Ghana, the government of Ghana, the people of Ghana, the Black Stars, anybody who is connected to Ghana. The Black Stars being a football brand that also represents Ghana. It's about the flag. It's about this. It's not about Ken Ofori-Atta. A man has been Minister of Finance for your country, and then the next thing they hear is a fugitive from justice. It tells on your country. Have you ever heard America saying that the former Federal Reserve guy is corrupt and that he's stealing money and that he's dug a cathedral hole? Whether a cathedral hole has been dug or not, it is our hole. It is our cathedral. It's our gain or it's our loss. It is necessary that our public officials begin. That's why I like my producer playing the tape of Stephen Asamoah. Just those of you who have been watching.
This year, I saw Gyan. And what Asamoah? Oh, Ofori-Atta. It is not about Ofori-Atta. Ofori-Atta, what did Abenamote say? America for Omo finance minister, Oma Kasoa Cromforda, Adenta yenya Ghana bako, na yemwa ho, na yensum, no Ofori-Atta di esika kra, amena na omudi esika etuno, nyina ya mena aboa. Akwa we, jantre anyway, before Ofori-Atta yebechiro no, maye hu to omo ya Cromfo no. This is what he stood on TV to defend.
Upon us with mercy. So those of us who have common sense and are on social media and are writing, why is the president giving 25 million and this and that and talking plenty and the cathedral is going to cost you to lose elections? No one will lose elections because he built a cathedral. We will see in this country. We will see it that no one is going to lose election because he dedicated a prime land for God. Judges were living in that place. Ridge is one of the choicest lands in this country. And they said, take the judges out and put the temple of Jehovah here. That's what Solomon did. Now, because David obeyed and he created a temple through his son Solomon, can you imagine Jerusalem 5,000 years after the fact? They still call Jerusalem the city of David. So
you see one person, or just you to know. In Asamoah King, Satano Ofori-Atta, Eddie Ghana for over $56 million. He was on TV using Solomon Amimi Nimuno. Bible and Yamna people he was mentioning and using as excuses. You know, we had not met any of them, or we've never met any of them in our lives before. Kwasi ampe and him so giant betina TV so defend it amena no mudiska. Won kwasi ade omlete Ghana ho, won MPP for mentality. On say MPP de be makacham say uyi dawa ni MPP dawa important che MPP ni kwasi ade akwa we e die na ma watena ka say we wako school mekacham so omo ko school say ntwen omo ko no makone no mabefie omo nim nyansa. They can read, they can understand, and most importantly they think say obi ejimi, and that is the symbol of the NPP. Omo trimu no, because omo jiminti they think everybody is stupid. How can you today come tell us, say, oh, Ofori-Atta na, no? Listen to this raccoon.
Ofori-Atta is not a fugitive from justice. It's not about Ofori-Atta, viewers. It's not about Ofori-Atta. It's about Ghana, the government of Ghana, the people of Ghana, the Black Stars, anybody who is connected to Ghana. The Black Stars being a football brand that also represents Ghana. It's about the flag. It's about this. It's not about Ken Ofori-Atta. A man has been Minister of Finance for your country, and then the next thing they hear is a fugitive from justice. It tells on your country. Have you ever heard America saying that the former Federal Reserve guy is corrupt and that he's stealing money and that he's dug a cathedral hole? Whether a cathedral hole has been dug or not, it is our hole. It is our cathedral. It's our gain or it's our loss. it is necessary that our public officials begin. That's why I like my producer playing the state
today,
of Stephen Amwa.
They are saying we are all Black Star members. Omudis can we are no more patriotic. Oh yeah. Omudis can we are. Omunya on Sauming, Paul, on Sauming. Omudis can we are. Almost patriotic. In Kwasiafu power. Near catch and Kofu say, I don't know what is $52 million a moody in the name of Mutu Cathedral. Or the question and the two attention by catching Jimmy. And that David Abemi Nimuno. King Solomon. I mean, maybe a bushing fear and then Toa Obo. Kwasian pay by church David as such ray. Ever church King Solomon as such ray. On that Saumi and Kwasiafo, then we just have to watch you people. Saumi. Na Yantra and Yansan Yamamumbra to me, and then we are all Black Star players. Now the Bena Casame, the Bena Yania say betu pate. The Bena Casame what Jordan position at Mano. In nine. Why when him tintin say I saw a cap, Abeginaho. You see, and this is what I keep telling Mama can be venture Ghana for. Say, oh, say me DMPP for what tema. It's not because BBO, because naturally, Jimmy. Hey, in Kofoe, and the Omuye de Omukem Sam punching. When they were in power, they had a party. And a refi, e-levy party. Suddenly, we should all be patriotic. Paul Ademochi Abejian about the thing and Chobewu, ya boni dia Obewu. He knows, they have told him. And Uncle Makan, they have all been told they are going to rot from inside. They will all die. And suddenly, oh, it is an embarrassment for us Ghanaians to be demanding for accountability. And the Ujia TV Zukache say, a ferry, send the Ofori-Atta, a penacheno. We all should be ashamed. Oh, but damn. Saumi. Now, refi say, what you were doing was criminal. What you were doing. And I'm refi said, a criminal. Time and year kasa mudi sika etu amena edi sika in the name of cathedral no. Odi usi utitante ya no Cambodia begina TV so kachire say David and Solomon amusi dan ti yanso fe gimi si dan abra na ye ni bebi edi etibeto. A foolish man sound me like you. Onye san kwasiafo ni asoso mo so Ghana TV so sa beduru ha. And today they are barking like dogs. Omomma omonananom omonyinyini mama da ne kwasiafo omonima fufufufu. And then we should just forget about what you people put us through, the disrespect, the corruption. Na yeremfi inti moka we ani ayeden yakoto abama Bawumia. Inti moya press conference no. Mo dey TV so anope ana me humu ana me ho emwa obi di says zato said the end no. Okasa I say ye the bent to ashe no to I just say electrocute the sa kwa we jimi we. Into way into Okasa we are or can some way we are near Kotoma Bawumia na Akwawi.
This morning that we have confirmed from the Deputy Director of Election of the NDC that His Excellency about Bawumia got 41% in the last election. And that any other thing said that is a big lie. And I am happy that he got the 41%. Because today, if you see the number of saboteurs in the NPP, the number of lions in sheep clothing, the number of people who were sabotaging his campaign within his government, there is a miracle that he got the 41%.
Whose government?
Again, if you see the number of saboteurs,
I think it's
the number of saboteurs who
remember they have said that he is a mate.
The number of saboteurs who were in the MPP and the number of them who worked diligently to oppose and prevent His Excellency Bawumia becoming president. Despite all that opposition, he still got 41%. It is a miracle. We have confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41% in the last election. And that any other
Montafoni be among people, more Jimmy Bruta. Young was a new way. We have told him wait, way. Into when you know about Bawumia. Oh, we are happy about making 41%. You know, they were saboteurs. It is not saboteurs, it is saboteurs. Jimmy, we know the saboteurs, it is not saboteurs. It is saboteurs. It's Sami. When you know Jimmy, in Tinkamuya where we are and opportunity where Jawira to fear. When you are Otokanka Betra TV, so Abaye and almost Bawumia and 41%, we know there are saboteurs in his party and his government. So the 41% they go, yeah, oh, bodam. It is not saboteurs, it is saboteurs. Saboteurs. Maningina ha Jimmy.
This morning that we have confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41% in the last election. And that any other thing said that is a big lie. And I am happy that he got the 41%. Because today, if you see the number of saboteurs in the NPP,
these are the people, they are justifying failure. We are happy that Bawumia is got 41%. We are happy that because we say he's got 38%. The number of saboteurs, Jimmy, in Tinka we are not kidding. Yenya got hey, zato de okanyan so in Tinka to Bawumia o free. Gabi Otchere kuna odisi kano. Why na show aketekete UK. Eye bedi etuo. Yase ne maame ewu. Se ne maame na Ekufuado wo fato no mona de be wo bedi etuo no. Se munim story na meka kire mo. San kwasiafo mu di sika no. Omo na nkwasiafo omakotena UK a omo de hwe omo ho. Why wuti se dansen abetena ho. Sabotage. Intinka wiane ayeden. Zato. Okay kan kwasiasem wiane ayeden. Na odi so nkwa na go school. Onkwa odi so nkwa na kasa se I antro here. And the director rejection and the saboteurs. Yeah, it is not saboteurs. Modia mo. It in Kauka brofu when you read Nanka. Yes, sorry, no person. Eh, Zatoya dio. It go to Bawumia. Ofuche Sami. Ye nyen to mobia. Ye jinem. Munjimi moho. Ye better chile mine. Now, where the name the proper media guy. Mama emfa engine. Nyama air koso. I will say Yamagana for etiasie. Saboteurs. Zato we pa internal to radio TV ni so kasa ayamote. A Roland Walker. Oh, me sure say ukuta some exceptional ear bia utwiti because I kasa and 41% of the direction. Saboteurs. Saboteurs. It is saboteurs. Saboteurs. Maningine jinem no wajimi. And I did a mayor mohalo. Namu say, Namu say, and this is really power and Kameko. Yeah, oh dear. Saboteurs. Also, tried the Children School, or tried the market. Now, what TV so saboteur. Saboteur. Oh, was that all? Asamoah Crayente. And as soon as director of this
this morning that we have confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41% in the last election. Confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41% in the last election. And that any other thing said that is a big lie. Confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41% in the last election. And that any other thing said that is a big lie. Confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41%. From the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency Bawumia got 41% in the last election. And that any other thing said that is a big lie. And I am happy that he got the 41%. Because today, if you see the number of saboteurs in the NPP, the number of saboteurs in the NPP, the number of saboteurs in the NPP, the number of saboteurs in the
Wait. Now, most media general, the Mutumi says, now about Matam Scam and say, why are they? Quasi idea way, saboteurs. We when you saw me for and you saw almost Ghana. Now we jina ni penny mo so Otchere. If you think these things you are saying is going to convince we Ghanaians or nyansa to say, hey, we dear, the Okanyansa into Yansan Fama to me and some Fama Bawumia. What you say? I don't know about this will be agony. It's Nanka when you know, the crack saying, you got to about Bawumia. Saw me. Now, what you see, Jimmy Ohu. Now, Mommy Queen, Namin Jabi Munchiramu. Ya start here, no. Aka a year 7 minutes, not about 9 o'clock. Again, I meant to and Nipia to Tomaka come, so meant to a month will be editing my time. I'm cramming to be a case because a month for a pro. A month for no, what you wouldn't be. Let me say hello to a year. Equiaya is on TikTok tonight. Equiaya, how far? Equiaya, me back Ghana. I will say, me find a way, be na me fro, na me show, na me chop picture. Now, man for Equiaya, my bow. In Equiaya, me back Ghana. I will try and meet up with you. Now, we container na kwesi saying, minya some investor be ananko beso obuama unya nice container. Na anka will start with Jumani Yepa. Equiaya, link up with my team. Me also make us a new Equiaya ndim komoda. She's always talking to my team members. Hey, guys. Equiaya text him wa mama niya official. Adama be ready message now with Mr. P. Mr. S. Okay. Now, One Love is live. One Love Boy is live on TikTok. TJ is also watching me tonight. Thank you very much, TJ. Akwe Dawa is watching me this evening on TikTok. Rosleto is live here. Atu is watching Kevin Taylor and Ghost Team this evening. I can also see Sauti watching me live on TikTok. On YouTube, no, Desmond is watching me. Facebook, Ni is live on Facebook. Abubakar is live tonight. Ruby is live. Millicent is watching me this evening on YouTube. Also, Rahina is live on Facebook. Rashmel is live on YouTube tonight. Also, Mihu Obitisa Rosemary Bonnie. Bernard watching me. Daniel Haruna Muhammad is live on Loud Talents TV tonight. Also, Mihu Obitisa Pell. I can see Empress Yasmin watching me this evening. Yvonne is live here. Amina Jibril is watching Kevin Taylor and the Ghost Team. I can also see Faustina Potter watching me. I can see Aqua Hagen live on Loud Talents TV this evening. Joyce Nogby is watching me this evening. Obitise Cypher K is live here. Good evening to Mohammed Stephen. Good evening to Gabriel. Good evening to Katri Philip. Good evening to Rauf. Good evening to Joanna N. Kwe. Good evening to every single person. Noah Alawe is watching me. Adam Abubakar is watching me tonight. We have 4 minutes to officially start tonight's show. Also, Harry is watching me. Simon is watching me live tonight. Nano, Smile. Theophilus is watching me this evening. I can see Ajoma Anya, my love, watching me. Good evening to Ajwa. Good evening to Mahima. Good evening to Norris Jamara. Also on TikTok, Pastor Bill is live on Loud Silence TV. On TikTok, TikTok, Kevin Taylor _WADR. Kevin Taylor _WADR. Tupac Shakur is watching me tonight. Shakur is watching me this evening. Andrews watching no. Tupac Shakur, the Dianka say Andrews watching. I Diallo Badono or Boise, the whole area he controls. Andrews watching. Tupac Amaru, the Shakur. All right, Ohima Raf is watching me live on TikTok tonight. Lady Z is also live here. Thank you very much, Lady Z. Also Empress is watching me. Anelka 9 is live on TikTok this evening. Ghost Sun is watching me this evening. Samson is live here. Musa Aki Ola is watching me. M1 said TikTok is still on. Yeah, the TikTok, yeah, 7 minutes, no more year free. So, minimum the SEO. Hey, Manu, Uncle Fonga report me, I say year free. So TikTok for another enjoy kakra and be free so I sound over here. Also I can see a user Fira is watching me this evening. Also Ertonam is watching me. Samuel is live here. Zanana is watching me this evening. BKK Segla is live. 3 minutes to 9. Nana and Cyrus watching me. Also Mihu Obi to say or didn't be watching me this evening. I really appreciate every single person who's made time to watch me tonight. My name again is Kevin Ekobedu Taylor. Matitin some Nankofoki can some Tequila. Tupac Shakur, the Tequila man, Shakur, Tupac Shakur, Andrews Boachi, Shakur in Obuasi in the Obuasi. Yes, Tupac Shakur. Tequila Shakur. Hey, Tequila. Tequila lady anyam na meka yo amanfo na se menka nka ho into mo se menka se Shakur gwa menka Tequila Shakur Tequila Andrews Boache to Park Shakur. Aqua near there. All right. Thank you very much, team. All right. Okay, so my team, they're telling me, all right. Ekuya has been texting. We have been seeing her message time to time on TikTok. All right. So, Ekuya, you've been in contact with my team. They're going to talk to you about location, our person audio container, and see the kind of container our pair and the assistance you need. We'll try and get some people to help you to also put your business together. And Ekuya, remind my team. They will remind me. Anytime about Ghana, I'll tell my team to link up with you. And then, I can meet you in Ghana. Near your picture. Ekuya. Thank you very much, Ekuya. All right. Now, Mama yan fanhye so na yenko enim udwa kwa and the utumi nya ho hwe. All right. Also a place you have to visit. Asamoah. A very good friend of mine took a DNA test today. Ne papa. Enyizo. The person just sent this to me. Asamoah. I'll call you. I'll try and call you. And then Nezu, the papa wa bruchiro. Also when you kakra would be 30 years, almost 35 years. The papa kwa bruchiri. I would say the papa fitting kwa bremnya na mameka sa the papa ni. And no ko take tester. DNA ni says 0.000. Just say mfahumpo yenya 1% impo. Edium. Message na Popin so akwhye abroche di anka meka ba meka bia na omohu. Vizo. I'll call. Ne papa kwhye ma Europe. Ne papa Europe. Season kwa abrom nyina ne papa Sama. And okoye paternity your DNA test. And it's terrible. The person just sent this to me. It's terrible. It's a very tough situation. Emma, and then papa. Depends when you knew. When you be almost 30s. So yeah, I think so. Hey, Mr. P, Mr. S. And yeah, is how. Let me straighten something here. Na, yen to me and fancy so. Okay, right. Now, this is something I'm a person obia and it's got to do with petrol prices in Ghana. Petrol prices, and petrol, diesel, and LPG prices to drop again between 1.26% to 2.3%, 1.97% to 2.10%, and 3.10% to 5.09% respectively. In Sesiano, petrol, diesel, LPG, yes, I bet so. Makacha will say, Abina Ammonium Wutino, see the wonderful work Tor the CEO of Tor, exceptional guy. And I have said, we need exceptional people to take exceptional role to do exceptional things. And you see, all the young people are, energy nano in terms of crude, refinery, storage, energy. The energy minister himself, John Abujinapo, very young guy, dynamic guy, hardworking guy. The guy who is in charge of Bost, very young, eloquent, smart guy, very smart, pragmatic, and you see the way tall. And the Omuye Juma go to Bost, another young, fantastic young man, very precise in his work, very diligent in his work. You have no fault with people like that. They are working diligently. These are people who are quiet but putting in the work. Go to NPA, HD Tamaklo. See the exceptional. So you can see, John Mahama's selection of people to basically to be doing some specific job, and yet just Busremuka. It's a lot of thinking went through it. And I'm so happy, all the people, John Mahama, especially the energy sector, the front, they have not disappointed the president. From NPA to Boss to Tor, all the way to the energy minister. You could see an exceptional growth in the energy sector. Into Usha, all these young people, and all these people are not noisy. They are very quiet and they are focused on their job. Take your time and go back and check the numbers and check the records. And these are people, if we are able to hold them well, we are able to guide them, They might make mistakes along the way, or they might hit blocks, but it does not mean our competence level is low. See what is happening. For a very long time, Tema Oil Refinery, no more to me refining oil. Today, under the leadership of the lawyer who is leading them, Tema Oil Refinery is refining. And you know the funny thing? They are going to expand their production. The probability say petrol and to mean cost too much it is very, very high. And this is the kind of governance we have been talking about all these years. And yet they didn't hatred, no. So then it is your problem because the people are seeing it. So as we speak today, petrol go from, diesel go from, gas go from, and we are seeing the impact. So all these young people, they have excelled exceptionally. So far, we have seen, say, if they are given the room, they are given the years, they are given the chance to work, these young people will not disappoint Ghana. Because I think, say, they all understand, say, John Mahama, legacy, or person Olivi, for a very long time, they are all ready to protect and to make sure John Mahama lives up to expectations. In Tutumu say, all the front, tall, bust, NPA, the energy minister himself, they are doing exceptionally well. And it is something we need to encourage. Near to Kroma and Kwasiafobi ba ye would see ye. Yakofa dentist is on be energy minister. Yakofa akwebi chese en Kwasiafobi and the be edian obedi. Napo knew nothing about energy. Ni akota Napo so be energy minister. The ultimate say the kofa eye accountant. Yeson ko health minister. Ajima menu. Ni akofa eye den ekurase lawyer. Amwakwata yeson ko road minister. Ni akofa eye den drug peddler, weed smoker. It is say agric minister Mickey Mouse. Yeson ko agric so you could see the whole thing was just disjointed. The NPP did not have any idea about governance. It was all about you being loyal to Akufo-Addo. So when Jimmy Kwane Akufo-Addo Pewasama, he will give you something to do. And that is what, for the past 8 years, it derailed this nation. Because people who were given the job to do did not have an idea about the job. Ni anti Kroma and Akufo-Addo na agric minister Ekotambo die begu nkran say nyina enfri otumfo emfa kamra nkran bedi body. This shows the level of foolishness that has germinated in the foolish masses called the NPP. We are on a road, and now we are on a trajectory. It is very good. It is consistent. We are seeing people who are ready to learn, who are ready to submit themselves, who are ready to take up challenges, and people who are really making it work. And this is the kind of government I was saying. The man is very intelligent to elect young people who want to challenge themselves. Now go to Bust and see what is happening there. When was the last time you saw, say, you see, fuel are shorted to the point. Bust is basically storing and delivering. Go to NPA, Edudi Tabaklo and his people. See the change, see the face, see how today we are talking about the NPA that has a new face, a new kind of leadership that is driving. And people can now approach NPA, call their hotlines, know what is happening, the transparency, the level of professionalism. Go to Tor, exceptional. In the history of this republic, for a very long time, we got a government that went to build a private oil refinery next to the national oil refinery. I'm talking about Senti Oil, which belonged to a Chinese, a criminal pastor, Akufo-Addo and his family. They drove past Tor and they went to build a private refinery. Are you insane? These are the same twats. Foolish human beings sitting on TV telling us to say we should listen to them and give them power again. These same twats, these are the same Saumis working in Ghana and sitting on TV and radios and telling us that, oh, we are forgotten. Come and listen to us. Give us power. We are in an era where things are really happening. Things are really changing. Things are not rosary yet. We are still in the wood. But you can see it is far, far better than we allowing these clowns called the NPP to handle affairs of this nation. So we should be very grateful. We should support what we have today because they have shown, say, when we give them enough room and time, they will deliver, and they are delivering. So this is it. Petrol prices to go down again. We cannot allow the Sankwas in again. Mama, now, I want to tell you, say, things are going on. Because I don't have it. Okay, I have it now. The government, whether you like it or not, you can choose to create an impression, say, a buying way is not working. But you see, the good thing about now, and they say, every single person has access to information. And it makes it so good. It makes it so easy. It makes the work for us very easy. You can choose to say, Bibiankoso, it is your own opinion. It is how you want to feel. It is how you want to think. And it is how you want to live. That does not mean we, the majority of the people who are rational and intelligent, we are also going to toe your line. It's not going to work like that. 1992, before time, and now Kasoa, I will peace FMA. Obiajun say you are the only person with information. But as I speak to you now, we can check every single thing happening in Ghana. Whether the government is working, delivering or not, we the people, we would know. When it comes to road infrastructure, this government has shown in 1 year, we have seen the development, the massive leap when it comes to tackling our road deficit in Ghana. And these are some of the things Ghana for Etukwan Omokoba, they are on their roads. They are seeing it. They see it. They see contractors on the road. They see it every day. It is not TV. So now you want to paint a picture and force people to believe her. Those people will see you say you are insane. When you sit on TikTok, when you sit on Facebook, when you sit on YouTube, now the people see you as a clown because they want you to understand, say, and that you cannot sit there and make it look like you are intelligent than them. So they will look at you and they will laugh. Now go around the nation. The whole country is a construction site. Roads are being built. This is John Mahama, Ghana. Big push. Roads being built.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation.
All right, Ghana roads and more. We're back on the road, and we actually stepped out today to give you a report of all the contractors who are back on road. You know, we all went for the Christmas festivities, and work has resumed. In fact, globally, work has resumed everywhere. But have our contractors hit back on the road to ensure that whatever project was happening last year is still being continued this year? Right now, I'm around the Tetekwashi roundabout, and you can see clearly that this contractor, Maripoma Enterprise Limited, is back on the field and work is ongoing. So to Mr. President, to the Road Minister and the Road Ministry, Maripoma Enterprise Limited, Tetekwashi roundabout motorway, he's on set. He's on location, he's on the field, and work is happening right behind me, as you can see. So, in fact, this is our first time recording from this particular spot of the motorway. We've covered the motorway extensively, but this is the first time we're covering from the Tetekwashi roundabout, and Maripoma Enterprise Limited is back on the road. We're going to give you all the other major road constructions going on within Accra. Temamoto Way, Kasoa to Winneba, Dodowa, Oyibi, Dodowa, Dowenya, and then we're also giving you Pokuase to Insawam. We're going to ensure that we see, or we're going to ensure that we find out if all the contractors are back on the road. And yes, Maripoma Enterprise Limited is back on the road on the Temamoto Way.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana.
Still giving you reports on all the contractors that have come back onto the road after the Christmas festivities. You know, some people were wondering, what's up with the road construction projects? Are the contractors back on site? It's work going on. So we decided that we're going to tour all the major road constructions within Accra and let you know the contractors that are back on site. Currently, we're on the Adenta to Dodowa stretch, and Oswald Investment Limited is back on site. So work is happening seriously. Work is happening here. So the water bowser has just joined us. Work is happening over here as well. So there are some trips of sand being poured down here.
This is to ensure that dust is controlled and reduced, you know, for the people in the vicinity. And this is a very good step being taken. In fact, it is a standard procedure in road construction, and it's being carried out here by Oswald Investment Limited. This is the Adenta to Dodowa stretch. We've covered the motorway roundabout, that is the Tetekwashi roundabout. We are now at Dodowa Adenta stretch, and as you can see, the contractor is back on site. Like I said, it is happening this way. It is happening this way as well, and clearly work is ongoing for Adenta to Dodowa stretch. We're moving on to another location to show you what's happening. Are the contractors back on site? We are going to make sure, you know, this Ghana Roads and More. Big shouts to Edith Azekins, Legend, and Sat. We're still hitting the road.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Hey, God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana.
This is the Dodowa Afenya stretch, and the contractor is back on site. Like I said, we're doing a report on all the contractors that are back on site after the Christmas break. And we've seen Maripoma, we've seen Oswald Investment Limited on the Adenta Dodowa stretch, and we've seen him, Oswald Investment Limited again on the Dodowa Afenya to Dowenya stretch. So that is work happening behind me. So with this one too, we say, present sir. We're moving on to the next location to show you whether or not the contractor is back on site. Come with us.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Hey, God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, able to defend.
And we're finally at the Pokuase to Nsawam Road, and over here too, the contractor is on site. So on behalf of the contractor, I say Maripoma Enterprise Limited, present sir. Contractor is on site and work is ongoing this very minute. As you can see, the water bowser just, you know, sprayed water on the floor to reduce the dust. And so dust is really being controlled over here. And behind us too, work is ongoing. Some compaction is happening on the other side. I see some concrete works happening at this side as well. And so, yeah, what we sought to capture, we have captured, and we are presenting it to you. Honorable Road Minister, the Ministry of Roads and Highway, Mr. President, your contractors are on site after the Christmas break. And so this is it for Accra. The main roads within Accra, Pokuase to Nsawam Road, Temamoto Way, Dowenya Afienya, Adenta Dodowa, contractors are on site. And so this is it, and this is what we sought out to do and we have done it. Thank you very much. We're moving on to the next spot, and we'll let you know, and we'll let you see what's happening there as well. But for Pokuase to Nsawam Road, contractor is back at the site.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Hey, God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights.
I am in Kasoa, so this is the Kasoa to Winneba stretch, and I'm happy to announce that NAC Fairmont is back on site and has even started working. So on behalf of NAC Fairmont, I say, NAC Fairmont, present sir, Mr. President, Road Minister, Ghanaians, they are back on site. As we speak, I'm standing inside, I'm standing on the coal, right? This was done last night. Very fresh and still sticky. Very, 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 very fresh. It was done last night. So clearly, the contractor is back on site and work has resumed assiduously. They're doing some measurements down there. And as we proceed, I'm definitely sure we're going to meet them up there as well. But this is it. Just so you know, NAC Fairmont is also back on site. Kasoa to Winneba stretch is covered. A motorway is covered. MEL, that's Maripoma Enterprise Limited. Pokuase to Nsawam is covered. Maripoma Enterprise Limited. Dodowa to Adenta is covered. That is Oswald's Investment Limited. Dodowa to Dowenya Afienya is also covered. Oswald Investment Limited has done that one as well. So it is what it is. Report is complete within the Greater Accra region. We'll be stepping out to other regions. This is it. So keep your eyes on the road and expect more from Ghana Roads and more. Eddie Dazekins is here. Lenyes is here. Sat is also here.
All right, the gentleman you heard, his name is Arnold. Mr. P, get me his official YouTube name, and then I can put it out there for people to subscribe to his channel on YouTube and also follow his daily and weekly updates on the road construction in Ghana. Indeed, this is what the government is doing, and this goes to the ministry, the roads minister. These are people you need to basically help. He's basically reporting on things or on projects that you and I, majority of Ghanaians, we cannot see on daily basis. And there's a lot of money that goes into this. Traveling around with your crew, eating, the inconvenience, the accommodation, and all that. And I'll advise the roads minister that if I invite this man and his team, sit with them and tell them that, you know what, we want to make you the official PR platform for all the road construction that we are having in the country. So give us a budget. We're going to help you guys. We're going to give you one pickup. Travel around the nation. Make sure you cover every single thing. Whatever is not going right, to put it out and let us know. Then we will also reach out to the contractors if they slow down or they stop working or whatever happens. This is what we do, because the people want to be part of the governance. The people want to be updated every day. The people want to be part of this president and what he's doing. So I will advise the roads minister to invite this Arnold guy and his group, his crew, to a meeting, and that what he can do is basically support his production so that they can tell Ghanaians what they are seeing on the ground and what we are missing. This will be one of the best things any government has done. So, Mr. Roads Minister, this is a simple thing to do. I know you can have put up a budget for this gentleman, and then just help him, support his production. He's not doing this for himself. He's updating you and I. I am in the United States of America. If it wasn't for Arnold, I wouldn't know what is really happening on the ground. Even though I know work is ongoing, I wouldn't know what is happening daily. And this Arnold guy, Ghana Roads and more, That's his YouTube channel. You are Ghanaian living in the diaspora or wherever, you can follow his channel every single day. You can go there and follow how the road construction is ongoing. If you're in America, Asia, Europe, and the Americas, in Africa, everywhere you are, you should follow his platform, his page on YouTube. Subscribe. Right now, he has 2.64K subscribers. I think we should do about 10, 20, 30, 40,000 subscribers within a week. And we are ready and willing to help Ghana know who this gentleman is and the good work that he's doing for Mother Ghana. His name or his channel on YouTube is Ghana Roads and More. Ghana Roads and More, at Ghana Roads and More. You can follow him. Subscribe. Go there right now. Take a minute. Go there. Go subscribe and come back and watch the show. If you are also watching on TV, you can pick your phone, subscribe to this channel, Ghana Road and More. He will be updating us every single day, and that is what we need so that we, living here in the United States, we can also come and update you. When he does the job, we will bring it here. We will show to you for you to know the progress this government is doing when it comes to road infrastructure. The big push is ongoing. Ghana is changing. John Mahama, the president, said Ghana is a construction site. In the next 10, 12, 15, 16, 22, 41 years, Ghana will be a solid nation with better roads. Road accidents will be a thing of the past. People will not die anyhow. We will be proud of ourselves and we will remember John Mahama and the NDC government for years. We will stay with them and stick to them and make sure they do the right thing. We will have to criticize them when they go wrong. Do make sure that they do the right thing and also keep them in power for years. So just subscribe to this channel. Let us move on. Thank you very much, team. Thank you for bringing this in. Now, you might did that Accusations, no. I bending a Kasacholi, mammy fucker Kranguso. We teen and I show rough. Maybe my wife, mammy. We are a suchari for we. A more day. A suchari. Yay. A suchari for we no. Omode. A ya ponko bini no modi a pete. A suchari. A suchari. Ghana military for Ghana. Omodom ko kwada question. They be amakati Ghana military say much we deny. I am moment yan fan coma labs no mo fanye e medical weed. I am amon shino. Ghana military I don't penny weed. Na me say esuchare for weed. Omo di ponko toilet no. I am ko Ghana military for. Also Ghana military no. Ghana soldier for no omo wo eye ponko a omo soldier for ponko. Inti omo ko toilet na na mu di omo nye. Inti ana esuchare we farmers na beje. No me pete so ayin esuchare we. Good evening to Ghana military. Good evening to the CDS of Ghana military, a very solid man. Since he took over, we have seen progress. Right, recently he talked about the housing project they are putting together for the Ghana military, the armed forces, which is quite interesting. We are all very excited about this project. We will be looking and watching, and we know with his experience and also his commitment, Ejuma Waye Abedu this point, and I know he's going to leave a legacy. And when he talks about housing, he will make sure the housing problem with the military, it is solved. The CDS has been there. He's an experienced man. And he's one person that you wouldn't get anything to say about him because he has gone through the mill. And he is somebody, a problem, I let him know. He will try and solve it. It's very, very important. On the propaganda CDS, this guy comes in and we are seeing the changes in our military. And this is something that we all should be happy about. Now, and there is a story about it, and say President John Dramani Mahama sets up and chair 13-member presidential advisory group on the economy. And the President of the Republic, Asamoah, a free Jubilee House, Flagstaff House, Aban, say, President Mahama, apa nipa edu miensa 13. Ono chairman was sa group wemu. Na omujumade nyina is simple. Omujumade say, Sam impenifo wato nsa from me. Dodowa ni nyina nya MDC, omunya NDC for. Omuye mpenifo oma wedra ewo den nyansa yede kyekere man mu eba sikasam totoye eba economy eba sania yebeye we sei yede we betu ha Mr President sebio yede yatena yede ye ho sebio ya adwuma abedum pempenso bia yenim sania oman yebu no intended president tena ase no so da bi we enya politics asem we enya me party for asem we enya nipa bi a menim no we ye nipa ye nim sede omo betumi aye ni a omo experience wom into a power nipa nkwa 13 na sa nipa 13 no onyabotre one ne government ne vice president ene omo a one omo tena se cabinet adwene huhu se we mu de obehia omo ene omo di omo nyansa bebe kan nyansa ho na omo akyekyere man eba eman si kasa mo totoye eye economy no se ne omo ankasa ewo suatre ene suahunu ehu se dabi we die esua ho ade yenim se ye ne se ye beboa ye ne se ye nda ebenya ho faso ye ne se ya daache ebenya ho faso saa nipa edumiensa ena president apa omo so omo nyina mra na saa nipa yi wotete omo din a wotum se ampa President Mahama onim de oye we ye mpanifo a Ghana ewiase nyina wo bom din a yeka se we mu. And the good thing about the people are, well, Opa and as the people he has basically group. These are all accomplished men and women. These are people who can criticize the president in his face. These are people who can say, I'm not agreeing with you, Mr. President. Mr. President, this is wrong. These are people who can criticize the president. So the president has always wanted people who can look in his face and tell him, Mr. President, this should be done this way, and this should be done this way. And it's now here, President Mahama, Ofori-Atta, Professor Nano Pokuase. President Mahama wanted somebody who can look in his face and say, Mr. President, with all your experience and with all the things you are doing, I believe, I also think, I suggest, and the president will look at the person, look at the person's background, look at the credibility of the person, and think the same lines with the person. And then President Mahama, he did not just sit down and elect just a vice president. He elected somebody or chose somebody he will respect and who he admires the contribution and intelligence. Now look at this.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers,